Look at all that nice rain. Kinda describes what I feel about my Discord right now. It's also easier to see the rain when it's zoomed in. On my phone, at least. Well, except when it's heavy like this. Looks very foggy over there. No, it's not fog, it's rain. What the heck? The heck is that? That redback? That's a redback spider. I just seen it in Australia. It's not good though. Those things are deadly. As heck. Hold on. So yeah, there was literally a redback spider over there, and I know it was redback because black widows usually have the black well, not black. They usually have the red hourglasses on their abdomen. This one had it on its back, and I thought they only lived in Australia. And I think some other parts, but I don't even know. And my mom thinks that we don't even have black widows in here. But literally, I have seen some. But little tiny ones, to be exact. And I recognize the flippin' abdomen, the back. Well, I never saw the red hourglass on its stomach, so I can't even tell. My mom thinks it was a garden spider, but yeah. Tell that to what I just saw. Like 4 times, I think. I think it was 4 times. But my mom and my stepdad say we don't have those. But I think we do. They're just really rare. Not too sure about brown recluses though. Starting to get heavier. And yes, my first instinct every single time I see a spider is just to kill it. There have been times where I spared some. Where I spared the lives of some of them. Most of the time I just kill them. So I hate them a lot. Like literally, they're nasty, they're flippin', they're creepy. They're just disgusting. And they bite, and sometimes they're deadly. My stepdad doesn't mind spiders, but my dad, my mom, pretty sure my younger sister who is off by 2, my younger sister who is 2 years younger than me, does not like spiders. Not too sure about my youngest sister who is about 3. Not too sure what she thinks about them. We'll see in the future. Rain's starting to calm down a little bit. Excuse me. Though the spider didn't look red, it looked brown. I wonder if there's a brown version of the redback spider. That's what I want to know. Though there are brown willow spiders in existence. The brown willows have them on have the red hourglass on their back, on their stomach, just like a Black Widow. Wonder if there actually is a brown version of it. Oh no, but yeah. Hey, how's it going? Uh, I mean, he's tiny. He can't really do much, at least. How's it going, buddy? I'll spare you. So yeah.